Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how to report videos on YouTube. In order to report videos on YouTube, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and to open up your web browser, or you can also do it from your application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Once you open up a web browser on the web address bar, type in youtube.com. You open up the YouTube kind of interface. Remove the report video first of all you wish to report. So once you open up the particular video that you wish to report it, so pause for a while, tap on the three dot icon next to it right at the bottom. So if you're doing it from your mobile device, you need to tap on the gear icon on the top right hand side corner, but for laptop or PC you need to tap on the three dot icon. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu. With that, there are three different options. So report button and a kind of interface will ask you why you're reporting a video. Select the particular reason and tap the next button. After that, you can also go ahead and just go ahead and tap on the report button. So you have successfully reported the particular video. In this way, you can report a video on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.